ama sai ka channel lo thin tu den so vai chung alom thu ka sei tun trum chu mal som sang a fan chun in na Spanish nula fel tak mai ampiel nu Nupui ni to ena YouTube channel video ron post te viral so le me entu pon tama the fan chun YouTube channel lan ne ya anin ton dan te le nge som sang te po ai zo lo tanga ron chur chok ni dan te Spanish biel Nupui poina Spanish tiktak ni dan te rang anin ton dan te anin nei dan chan chin te lo ti na video ka kan lo en ho thau in karinga tuna chuani en tu nga ber le Mizoram me puitan Ngaihven per ania ta then khatin mal som sanga an faka then khatin Mizo nu in sapa sal na yan soi sela no long pasal na yan soi sela Mizo pa in nam tang Nula Nupui ani chu soi sela silo ti te no ma then khachuan in Mizo kan pung le sa don ta Mizo nam kan pung le sa don ta an ti an lom le ani an video te po hin lo en haula full te pon wen veula mo nam zile bel no te pon isela Nupui te pon isela film siete mu thau ring ani.
So why is your name so long? Why do you have two names? Explain to me.
It's quite long, yes. So Malsom Sanga is my birth name. So my father gave me the name, but Jeff, it's a name that I got later on. So when we were living in Mizoram, my sister Florence, she created a Facebook account for me and she wanted to add an English name at the start. So she just named me Jeff because she liked the name. From then on, we moved to other countries and things, and people.
Very special day.
Indeed. So what happened that day?
So that day, my sister organized a beach volleyball game, and it was the first time that Jeff came to play. So yeah, I was too shy, too awkward to say anything to him. So I just kept looking at him. I didn't say anything.
And little did she knew I was doing the same. I noticed her. I thought she was very pretty, and she seemed like a really nice girl. So I wanted to talk to her. I wanted to have a chance to say hello. And later I got the chance.